Taiwan's machine tool industry has experienced over 10 years of continuous development and continues to make significant progress. In face of intensive global competition, Taiwan's outstanding performance is due to the unceasing innovation and improvement of the industry to create differentiated products with elevated value addedness.
这个工具机产业在台湾，在今天来讲。
The machine tool industry is a very important sphere of Taiwan's overall machinery industry, and the machinery industry is a consistently critical part of Taiwan's economy. From the period of Japanese occupation to today, Taiwan's machinery industry has overcome many obstacles while relying on its own strengths. It is now increasingly stronger and has evolved into a resilient and stable industry. The production value of the machine tool industry currently stands at 1/6 of the total machinery industry, so it is considered a very crucial part of the industry. This so-called machine tool is actually the tool used to produce other manufacturing machines, and is said to be the cornerstone of any industry. In other words, some people refer to machine tools as the mother of all machines, clearly depicting the importance of machine tools to the overall machinery industry. Taiwan's total machine tool production value is ranked 5th in the world, and exporting these tools has become an important revenue source for Taiwan. We export these tools to many countries all over the world, and our total foreign sales is ranked 4th in the world, even though all the more advanced countries hold a similar position and have very strong machinery industries.
希望整个台湾的经济情况能够很稳定的话。
The machinery industry earns substantial revenues for a country, and Taiwan's machine tool industry is an important contributor to Taiwan's current economic prosperity. This stabilizing force cannot be ignored, and we must all continue to work together to sustain the Taiwanese economy.
我想台湾这几年来工具机可以这么蓬勃的发展啊，很重要一点就是。
The reason why Taiwan's machine tool industry is so developed is because we have a very adequate supply of machine parts. Just as all the parts of a car, such as steering wheels, tires, and drive shafts, cannot be provided by a single supplier, a reliable supply ecosystem is needed. In Taiwan, we have a complete and strong supply chain ecosystem that provides all kinds of small and large parts that a manufacturer needs. This ecosystem plays a critical role in the maturation of Taiwan's machinery industry. Taiwan should identify and develop its own industry uniqueness and maximize its strengths. Well-known machine tool manufacturers in Japan or Germany focus on developing their own technologies and gather all their strengths to play. This is how they manage to dominate the industry. Taiwan's machine industry should follow in their footsteps and create its own niche. In this way, we can play a more significant role in the global machinery industry.
我记得我举个例子来讲，我记得我小时候。
While working as an intern in a factory, one day I accidentally damaged a machinery part. The quality control supervisor on duty that day came running over to me and said, "Our machines are sold to the U.S. to manufacture airplane parts. If you are always so careless, I will never dare to take a plane again." The machines we develop in Taiwan are sold to many countries around the world, and the quality of our machines is widely acknowledged.
那台湾整个工具机非常蓬勃，过去20几年这么蓬勃的发展有几个重要的因素。
For the past 20 years, Taiwan's machine tool industry has achieved so much because of the following reasons. A strong policy of support from the Taiwanese government, the unceasing entrepreneurial spirit of Taiwan's SMBs, and lastly, the uniqueness of Taiwan's machine tool industry and its localized supply ecosystem. After 1991, Taiwan saw substantial growth in its machine tool industry, and a big part of this success is due to the unique supply ecosystem in central Taiwan. No matter if it is the development speed of machine tools or the lowering of costs, these factors aided in the development of the entire industry. At that time, Taiwan seemed to be the only country with such a complete and strong supply ecosystem.
所以台湾本身工具机在
Our machines are of excellent quality, competitively priced, and more importantly, we are very willing to work with our customers to fulfill their needs. We are also very flexible in product customization, and these reasons totally reflect the true entrepreneurial spirit of Taiwan's SMBs. Taiwan already has many machine tool manufacturers. So how do we help these SMBs to expand their businesses and operation scales, consolidate their capital, engage in more in-depth R&D, advanced manufacturing and overseas marketing, and maximize their potential? This is exactly the next challenge that we face. In recent years, China's economic revolution is becoming more and more rapid, and the interaction between China and Taiwan has increased. Taiwanese manufacturers take advantage of the common language and lifestyle and geographical proximity to work closely with various organizations and mechanisms established by both governments to quicken Taiwanese businesses' entrance into the Chinese market. There is also elevated interaction and collaboration between Taiwanese and Chinese businesses. Both countries can learn from each other and make up for each other's weaknesses to provide the best quality, competitively priced products to survive and achieve sustainable business development.
两岸在机械这个产业里面最重要、最关键。
The most competitive product between China and Taiwan is machine tools. All tools needed to make airplanes, automobiles, high-speed trains, etc. are all manufactured by machine tools. So machine tools are the core equipment. If a machine tool is well